website inspection, you may be asked to show documents that you are required to be carrying in cab. When that happens, all you need to do is navigate to your dashboard to access the ELD Info App. We'll select Dashboard, ELD Info, and here we are in the app. Here are all the required documents that you need to have with you. Also, some driver's guides, information on new releases, and a link to watch videos should you ever need a little retraining or refresher. If the inspector asks you to open the document, simply tap Open Document. Your device will navigate you to a PDF version of the document that you can show to the inspector, after which you can navigate back to the window that you launched from. To return to your HOS, click the back button to go back to your dashboard and select either the HOS main button or the HOS link from your bottom menu.